Welcome. I am your meds for today. Good morning. Thank you very much guys for watching my channel. Today is indeed a very happy yet medyo gloomy outside, alright? But still, I'm gonna actually do a review right now of this Careline Pimple Concealer. I hope you could see this one. Yan. Yan siya. Okay. Actually, it has a new packaging. Kasi I actually purchased it before. Yung mga panahon na, wala pa ako masyadong wala pa akong kaperahan. Kasi noon pa yun. Kasi, di ba, matagal na din naman yung Careline sa industry. So, it has a lot of products na rin. But now, I've actually dropped by dun sa area nila because I wanted to buy a new product, but not the concealer actually, but I wanted to check out their powders. But this one, I eventually ended up buying this concealer kesa dun sa dapat bilhin. You can see the packaging. Yan, meron siyang I don't know, it is like parang may mga donuts, parang pink, parang strawberry, chocolatey donuts siyang kaganapan dyan sa packaging niya. And this is, hindi pa siya bukas kasi I'm gonna do this first impression review sa mga estudyante na experiencing huge pimples, zits, and blemishes, dark spots. It's the best time for me to test this out. I don't have any makeup on, just the moisturizer, walang kahit na ano. So we're gonna try this one kung talagang mag-work talaga siya. Okay? So I'm gonna open this one. Okay, let's start with the price. Okay? For the price, it says here, I hope you can see that. Okay, 95 pesos. Okay, 95 pesos siya. And, yan, ganito siya. Okay. Nakasabit-sabit siya doon. Yan. Tanggalin natin. Let's open it. Let's open this. Okay. Hirapan ako Nasira ako na. Ano ba yan? Nasira. Hindi talaga marunong. Actually, dito lang ako. Kinakabahan kasi ako dito Joke. Bakit pag sa sarili mo, mabilis ka lang mag-open? Pag nag-YouTube ka na, medyo nakakakaba. Okay, let's see. Yan. So, yan. Pagkatanggal mo na siya sa packaging, ganito siya. It looks like this. Okay, yan. Careline. Yeah. Yan. It has a silver cap. Plastic. Yung packaging plastic siya. At yun nga, may mga donuts nga siyang ganap. I hope you can see that. Donuts. Yan, donuts. Sa ilalim, yan, nakalagay dyan yung shade niya. Okay. Again, packaging is plastic. Yan, even this one, plastic. Actually, this one, ako kasi acidic ako, sobrang acidic. So, pag matagal ko na siyang ginagamit, yung parang anong tawag dito, humuhulas na, nabubura na tong pagka-silver niya rito kasi nga sobrang acidic ako. Yan, kasi syempre, open mo siya, sarado mo, open mo yun. Nabubura to. Yan. Plastic lang siya, guys, ha? Okay, what more can you expect? It's just 95. Actually, tumaas na siya kasi before, ang pagkakatanda ko, it was just like 80 pesos. But ngayon, it's already 95 pesos. Yeah. So, okay, let's go with the shade that I have is, I hope you could see that. Kasi pink na yung niya, isulat niya What I got is the Oriental for the shade. Okay, nakalagay din naman yung shade niya dito. Doon, ayan. This one, maliit lang. Ayan. I hope you could see this. Dito sa part na yan. Ayan. Sa upper right corner, nung tinanggal nating papel, nakalagay naman dun yung scent niya. Ay, I mean, yung shade niya. Okay. Oriental yung shade ko. And let's smell it. Ay. Guys, ang tapang pa rin ang amoy niya. The scent is, ayan, nalagyan na. The scent is, for me, is, if you're not into scents like this is a no-no. But then again, alam niyo yung pampahid sa katawan, yung pinapahid ng mga matatanda, medyo parang ganun yung amoy niya. Parang ganun, parang amoy matanda. Yun nga. Ang lakas ng scent niya, guys. I think it's because of the meron kasi siyang ingredients na tea tree oil, kaya ganun yung scent niya. Pero I've actually used a lot of products with tea tree oil, but this one is the most, I mean, it has such an overpowering scent than the other products that I've used. Sobrang nako, guys. And then let's see the color. I'm gonna provide you the color. Ayan yung Oriental. Okay. Consistency, it's creamy. Hindi siya liquidy. If I'm not mistaken, before medyo liquidy siya. Pero ngayon, ayan siya. Creamy siya. Ayan. And it has a yellow undertone. It has a lot of shades available, but Oriental has the shade. This is the Oriental shade. This is the shade that has a yellow undertone, so I got this one. I hope it's not too light for me. I mean, kasi before Oriental is just fine, but if I'm not, kung naninibago ako, medyo parang pumuti ngayon tong Oriental na to. Yan. So let's continue. So let's go ahead and go to the coverage of the product. Okay. This is actually used, nakalagay dito sa likod ng packaging. Let's read it. If you have problems with your huge pimple, you don't need to worry anymore, because Careline introduces one-of-a-kind pimple concealer. It has tea tree oil that is proven to be effective against pimple. As a as a tea tree oil infiltrates onto your skin, it can soothe and cleanse, creating a blemish-free effect. Now you can enjoy a pimple-free aura every day. Every day. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. So I'm gonna put it here on my under eye. Let's see if this one could cover this part. Lagyan na rin natin dito. And okay na tayo dyan. Yan. So guys, I'm just gonna use my fingers, okay? So malinis naman to. So ito naman ang gagamitin ko, okay? Let's see. And I'm gonna get my mirror. Okay, guys, relax lang kayo dyan, ha? Yan. Madali siyang i-blend. Madali siyang i-blend. Yun nga lang, habang biniblend mo siya, talagang maaamoy mo yung scent niya. Kung hindi kayo matiisin sa gantong scent, this is not good. Kung hindi nyo bet yung mga gantong scent. Lagyan ko na rin ito noo ko. Yan. The coverage, it has a for me, light to medium. light to medium yung coverage niya, but we're gonna test this out if this one is buildable. Okay, pwede natin siya dyan. Kasi guys, this is the perfect time para i-try ko to, kasi I have a lot of blemishes. Yun nga sabi ko nga sa inyo nung nagpunta kami ng province, kung saan kasi kami sumuot, kung saan ako nagsusuot. So wala ko na lang kahit na ano noon, sabon or what. So gumamit lang ako ng kahit na anong sabon sa probinsya. Hindi ako nakakapag-eskinol sa gabi doon. So, sobrang lalaki ng pimples na lumabas sa akin. Tingnan nyo naman itong mga blemishes na yan. Yan. Sobrang lalaki ng mga pimples na lumabas sa akin. Pero natuyo na siya. Tuyong-tuyo na siya. Yun na nga lang yung kailangan natin problemahin is yung blemishes. Okay. So, na-cover naman na so, super light lang siya. Medyo, kung titingnan nyo dito sa camera is medyo light yung effect niya. Parang pumuti yung face ko. Pero mag-oxidize din yan mamaya. Kasi super oily ako. Yan. So, for now, we're gonna focus on the blemishes. Yan. Ito guys, ayan. Ito. Yan. Yan, blemishes ko. Yan, we're gonna put a little bit. So, I'm gonna tap it with my finger. Make sure guys na malinis yung kamay niyo. Let's see. Ito, meron pa din. Let's see, another layer, second layer. Let's put a second layer. Ito, yan, meron pa din. Kita pa din. I'm so sorry for that. Nagka-message ako because I'm using my phone to film this. Sorry mga guys ha. Okay, and this other side of my face, I'm gonna cover this blemishes. This one. Ito kasi parang balat ko na to eh. Let's see this. Kung mako-cover niya. Ito yung ugat ko to, yan. Hindi niya nako-cover yung blemishes ko. Hindi niya talaga nako-cover yung blemishes ko. At pansin ko lang ha, it's been like 3 minutes or 4 minutes na in-apply ko. Super oily na or sobrang dewy ng finish nito. I don't know, it's not matte at all. Dewy na siya. Oh no, nag-oil na ako. Nag-oil up ako agad. Try natin second layer. At di ba guys, ito nilagyan ko na to kanina. Ang bilis oh. Nawala agad yung concealer dito oh. Lumabas agad yung pagkapula ko dito. Wala agad yung concealer. So I'm gonna do a second layer. Ano ba to? Bakit ganun? Hindi nakakatuwa. Yan, so as for the as for the under eye, okay siya sa under eye, okay siya for highlighting purposes, para lang matakpan ng kahit paano yung dark circles nyo sa under eyes. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa buong face, okay naman. The coverage is not so matte, it's a little bit dewy. Sticky siya. Yan. Paulit-ulit. Sticky siya. Saka parang medyo mainit siya sa balat. Yan. Sabi dito dapat may parang cooling effect because of its ingredient, which is a tea tree oil. Bakit ganun? Parang ang init. Naiinitan ako. Yan. Pinangpaypay ko na. Oh, sorry naman sa kalat. Yan. Lagyan natin. So, parang ang init na niya. Promise. Yun. So, yan. And, mamaya-maya lang, mag-oxidize na tong balat ko. Mag-oxidize na. So, medyo magda-darken ng konti ito. Magsiset na rin siya. Oily na siya, guys. Promise. And, let me see kung nagta-transfer. Okay, kuha tayo ng tissue. Yan, tissue. Yan. Let us check kung nagta-transfer. Yes. Tingnan mo, nawala na agad, oh. Guys, I hope you could see this. I don't know how you could see this. Sana nakikita nyo, pero yan, in this part, ta-transfer siya. Yan, dito, nagta-transfer. May transfer. I hope you can see this. Yeah. Not that much, pero dito sa tissue, may makikita kayong konting parang, ayan. Sana nakita niyo parang madilaw-dilaw na yan. Nagka-transfer siya. Ayan. I'm gonna try to set it with powder, okay? Give me a second. So for now, I'm gonna be using my Nichido, okay, final powder, and this is a translucent powder. This is in the shade of Creamy Glow. Ayan. Creamy Glow. Okay? I hope you can see that. Ayan. Kulang tayo ng konti. Gagamitin ko yung sponge na kasama dito. Ayan. Tap natin. Ganyan. Let's see if this one, malalaman din natin kung nagki-cake siya. Ayan, nag-worn out na siya dun sa mga blemishes. So hindi talaga siya nakaka-cover ng blemishes. Bakit gantong ginawa nyo, Caroline? Bakit ganon? Akala ko pa naman, mas maganda yung consistency ngayon. Tumapang na nga yung amoy niya, pero mas parang hindi, mas maganda, parang mas maganda yung consistency before. Or, I don't know, kung pareho pa rin yung consistency, nag-iba lang yung packaging. I'm gonna use my Charm powder kabuki brush. Ang cute, no? Pink. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Sineset ko lang. Walang, ano to ha, guys ha. Itong Nichido final powder. It doesn't have any coverage. Wala. Ano lang talaga siya. Translucent powder lang. So, kung ano yung shade nung nilagay yung BB cream, foundation, concealer, or what, wala siyang effect doon. Ayan. Let's see. As you can see, guys, medyo nag-worn out na siya dun sa mga pimples ko. Hindi talaga niya na-cover yung mga pimples. Okay, so I'll be back after 2 hours. Let's see kung ano na nangyari dito sa concealer na to. Okay? Okay, bye for now, guys. Mamaya na lang. Welcome back, guys. So it's been like more than 2 hours since I've applied the Careline pimple concealer. Guys, nakikita nyo naman yung mga blemishes ng face ko. Eto na sila. Kitang-kita na sila ulit. Ayan. 2 hours, hindi ako umalis ng bahay. Nagtupi lang ako ng mga damit. Naglinis-linis ng konti. Nag-ayos-ayos kaya ayan. Nakaipit na ako. Sorry naman. Ayan. So, hi! Woo! At ganun. Kung gagamitin nyo siya bilang under eye concealer na magpapalighten ng mga what do you call that? Dito. Yan. Yung under eye discoloration nyo. Pwede siya. Okay? Maganda siya. By the way, guys, kanina nakakilay ako. Naglagay ako ng Maybelline mascara. Nichido eyeliner doon sa part na yon. Tapos sinsmudge ko siya. And I'm wearing this Mary Kay, my go-to lipstick, Mary Kay Toffee Caramel. Other than that, I'm wearing no foundation, no BB cream. Nakita nyo naman yung Careline Pimple Concealer lang, saka yung Nichido Final Powder, wala na. So, nakita na talaga yung blemishes ko. Yan. Kita nyo talaga. So, this is in camera, ha? Kitang-kita na. Di lalo na sa totoong buhay, kitang-kita yung blemishes ko. But, at some point, parang, I'm happy. Kasi, parang, maganda yung coverage niya kung parang gagamitin mo lang siya na parang gagamitin mo siya na BB cream or parang foundation, okay na. Medyo nag-i-even out naman yung skin tone mo. Yun nga lang, ang bilis niya humulas dito, wala na. Yan. At hindi talaga siya nakaka-cover ng huge pimples. That is actually the purpose kung bakit ginawa yung pimple concealer na yon. So, final thoughts and opinions. Hindi ko siya ma-recommend the pimple concealer. But for under eye and for like using it as a BB cream or foundation, or if you're on the run and you don't have your foundation and BB cream with you, if you have that concealer in your bag, ilagay mo sa buong paa mo, mag-powder ka after that, and put all your blush on and lipstick and kilay, you're good to go. Okay na siya yan. Pero kung ang purpose nyo talaga ay takpan ang mga tagyawat nyo para hindi siya makita ng madlang people, guys, hindi yun para doon. At ang bilis niyang humulas, guys. So, I think every 2 hours, you're gonna like retouch. Yung ganon. So, parang pwede nyo lang siyang gamitin parang makeup base, something like that. Pwede na sigurong ganon. Pero, ayun, magandang term, makeup base na lang. And, ang kagandahan lang is may tea tree oil siya. So, nakakatulong siya sa mga pimples mo, but not totally to cover the pimple. Siguro tea tree oil is best to prevent pimples, for curing pimples. Yan, kasi antibacterial din siya at some point. But for the, ang gulo ko, para takpan sila, yung mga tagyawat na yan, mga blemishes na yan. No, Careline, bakit ganon? Okay? So, I'm gonna do the rating. Out of 5, it's just 1.5. So, medyo mababa, guys. That's just from my honest opinion, okay? Okay, thank you very much for watching my channel. I'm gonna see you next time on my next review. Magpakatotoo lang po tayo sa mga binibili natin kasi marami dyan yung mga bumibili ng mga maraming product. Sana bago tayo bumili, manood muna tayo ng reviews. You know, wait, yung mga reviews talaga, no, talagang may mga honest opinion, ganun. At some point, pag binasa mo kasi yung mga promises ng mga products, parang makukonvince kang bilhin, pero Careline Pimple Concealer is actually not a thing to, not a concealer that you could put on your stash. Okay? You can find a lot of other concealers. But for me lang po, wala po kung anything against Careline, okay? Maraming products ang Careline na magaganda. But this one, hindi po ako na-convince sa performance. Alright? Thank you so much. Again, it is Meds. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.